don't have like all the extra accessories like that.
Sugar? That's 6 feet. Thank you.
Alright, back to chocolate graphics. How's it? I'm Kurt from Studio 22. I'll be right back. So, I've got the key for a chocolate factory. Now, I don't own a chocolate factory and I don't know anybody that owns a chocolate factory, but I've got a key. Last week when our laser tube expired, we got a new one, but unfortunately there was a bit of a problem with it. It must have got damaged due in transit. So our supplier gave us a list of names of other companies close by that have exactly the same laser engraver as we do. I made some calls and I spoke to a guy and he said I must speak to Margie. So I called Margie and she says I'll meet you tonight and you guys can come and engrave on our machine. There's a saying that goes something like, whatever the question is, the answer is chocolate. In this case, the answer is chocolate graphics. So someone I've never met gave me the keys for their business for the entire weekend. Did I mention I have the keys for a chocolate factory? So it's Sunday morning. I've come to bring some breakfast to Elton, who's been working through the night to get a laser project done. I'll show you more in a moment. But first, let's go look at some chocolate.
Chocolate is here.
Thank you very much.